Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make yet another party snack. The name of the recipe is rice and cheese fritters. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. It is very easy to make. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 1 bowl of cooked rice, 2 tablespoons of grated processed cheese, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, grated half carrot, 2 green chilies chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves chopped fine, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste. First we'll take cooked rice in a bowl. Now we'll add cheese, carrot, yogurt, green chilies, coriander leaves, chili flakes, chaat masala, salt and mix well and make a dough. Now we'll take small portion of dough and we'll start making balls of medium size. Now these balls are ready to fry. Now we'll fry on medium gas until golden brown. Now these balls are golden brown and ready. Now we'll remove them. Similarly, we'll fry all balls. Now these yummy and delicious cheese and rice fritters are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Take very good care of yourself and your family. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.